it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my new Boo mini book project kit. We'll first take a look at what I did with the project kit, and then we will take a look at the kit itself. As always, the Layle by Mail mini book project kits include all the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a live video class where I put the project together with you step by step. So let's take a look. I am using the Spooky Nights collection from Simple Stories along with one of their really fun flip books. So fun little technique right off the bat. I've created a little peekaboo, right? A little peekaboo, play on words there, a little peekaboo on the front cover. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Super simple with an X-Acto knife. But lots of great products in the kit, the foam stickers, lots of paper and things like that. The collection is super cute. I love the addition of mint in the collection because it just kind of makes it a really fresh addition to your traditional Halloween colors. All right, so we're doing a little decorating on the inside, even on the little metal fastener. The flip books have pocket pages included in them. So in the project, you have some pocket pages, and then you have pages that are not pocket pages, like this one, for example. So we're creating additional pages, little flip outs and different interactive elements with different papers. Another little small flip out element there. On pocket pages, we're doing some things where we're punching holes and adding tags. We have a pocket here on the back side of the pocket page. Interactive little element door there. We're kind of trimming some of our pocket pages to give it a little bit of a different look. Creating dog door. I call this dog door, oven door. So a little interactive element there with a little peekaboo, peek through. Really fun collection, as I said. I've mixed in some different element papers from Simple Stories. So the 3x4s, the 4x6s, the journal cards and things. So that's a little pocket. Those little pieces slide in and out of the pocket. I love doing see-through things in my mini books. So we're using the foam stickers here, and I just adhered that directly to one of the 6x8 pocket pages. So kind of have a fun little peekaboo effect there. Here we have some tags sandwiched in between a page with some orange, some fun orange string. A little side pocket so you can tuck photos or memorabilia or what have you in the side pocket. Another little interactive element. This is a fun one. So the kit includes a little gold cat clip, and we have a little closure there and then a waterfall. So I love including waterfalls in my mini books because that's a great spot to add lots of additional photos. You have a little interactive tag element here. Oh yes, I forgot I did that. Actually, I have poked a hole through the pocket page, and then the tag and little tag on top is tied with some gold string through that little hole. And there we go. So the project kit is currently shipping, and the live class that I mentioned will take place mid-October. With all of my classes, if you're not able to make the class in person, you can always watch the replay. So now that we've taken a look at the project, let's take a look at the kit so you can get a feel for the contents of the kit. The base is one of the 6x8 Simple Stories flip books. So you have 10 pocket pages that are included as part of that flip book and 3 different configurations. You have the super fun foam stickers from the Spooky Nights collection. So 2 6x12 sheets. You have a little baggie with different strings, orange, yellow, and then the gold thread, and then that gold cat paper clip that we looked at. A package of 23 journal die cut pieces. So lots of little fun pieces there for adding to your photos and telling your Halloween stories. The 12x12 sticker sheet, so tons and tons and tons of stickers for your project. And then we move into the papers. So you have the 4x6, cute, cute, cute candy corn on the back side. You have the journal elements with that kind of icons on the back side. You have the tags, the little skeleton paper, plaid on the other side, orange polka dot with the spider web on the back side, stars and cute little ghosties, and then three different coordinating sheets of cardstock. So the black, the mint, and the orange polka dot, and two more pattern papers. So this really fun green with the words on it, and then the haunted houses on the back, but the happy haunted houses, not the scary ones, and then wrapping it up with the 3x4 elements and the diagonal stripe on the back. So that is the Boo mini book project kit. I have included a link to purchase the project in the description of the video down below. If you have any questions about the kit, you can go to my website and send me a message through there, or you can leave a comment on the video and I will be happy to respond. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.